guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a full face Ilia review featuring some of their brand new products new this year, including their Balmy Tint Hydrating Lip Balm, as well as Ilia's Clean Line Liquid Eyeliner, so you can get like the perfect cat eye of all time. They have such an incredible range of products for all different skin tones, so you can find the makeup that is just right for you. I'm super grateful because today's video is not sponsored by Ilia, but they kindly sent me, hang on one second, stand by. Okay, because they kindly sent me, wow, look at all that product, my friend. I don't even know what to do with it. I'm overwhelmed with gratitude. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with all this makeup. I definitely want to try it, but I hope that some of my friends are okay with me giving them some of these products that I've gently tried. I know Mom will definitely be getting some Ilia makeup. I feel super grateful. I am eternally grateful to you, Ilia team. And let's go ahead and get into this makeup look, and we'll start with a fresh face right here. Here's the fresh face. I have tried some new skincare from Good Molecules, which I'll talk a little bit about in the future. This is just my raw skin. I'm wearing the serum from Good Molecules, which I'm trying out to correct wrinkles and fine lines. And I've also got on a bit of an eye cream from Good Molecules, and I have the Nuori SPF, and that I think is all I'm wearing, so I've really worked that in super well into my skin. So this is fresh face free, and one thing that's really cool about what I'm about to show you from Ilia is that sometimes when you're wearing a moisturizer that has SPF in it, you don't necessarily need to put on foundation, or the super serum skin tint from Ilia acts as like a moisturizer, serum, and foundation all in one, and SPF all in one, so sometimes it can be a lot doubling up on your face. So what I'm gonna do is use this True Skin Serum Concealer from Ilia. We're doing a full face of Ilia. Yes, bring it out. I'm just going to apply it around my red areas, and I think I've got a few little. And just using my fingers, I'm just gonna work that in. That already looks super lovely, I think. Just very fresh faced. Ah! Okay, the next thing that I'm really pumped about trying is, I feel like I should swatch everything, but my goodness, with the amount of stuff that they sent me, it's just kind of insane. What I have been doing though is using a product that I have never tried before, and I'm really excited to try it. It is so beautiful. Ilia has some new products that they came out with this year, and one of the ones that I'm really excited about but never got to try was this Balmy Tint Hydrating Lip Balm, and they sent me two shades I'm super excited about. They sent me Lady and Wanderlust. Wow, so beautiful. Let's swatch both of them actually, just to see what we've got here. Okay, so this one is kind of like a classic red with like a slight tint of orange, I would say, and just swatched on my skin. Can't see, can you tell? Yeah, that's very pretty. That's super buildable, very hydrating. Oh my gosh, just like it says, super duper hydrating. This has salicornia, shea butter, and rosehip seed oil in it, and I'm just gonna try the other shade. So that again was shade Lady. The next shade we have is Wanderlust. I would say this is the replacement for their other lip shades. They have now the Color Block, the High Impact Color Block lipstick, and then before that they had kind of like a glossy lipstick, which was very buildable, but was very much in the shape of a lipstick, and this is more clearly a lip balm. So here's Wanderlust. It looks very similar. I don't know. Looks super duper similar to me. And now we're gonna swatch it. This is a more classic red though, I would say. It has less orange in it, more berry, like so a bit of a blue undertone versus a bit of an orange undertone. So this is Wanderlust, this is Lady. I like Lady. Okay, so let's put on Lady. I think that's gonna be really pretty on, to be honest with you. So here's kind of one layer. It has kind of a sweet smell to it. I'm guessing that's probably the shea butter. Really lovely, you guys. Gosh, this feels amazing on. It really does feel like a lip balm, but it leaves such a great color. It's not too sheer, but it's not too opaque either. Love it. I would love to try the other shades as well. Okay, the next thing that I've been, 100% obsessed with for forever is their Limitless Lash Mascara. I have it in a mini. And I also have their Limitless Lash Mascara comes in one shade. It's called After Midnight, so it's like a true black. It is just the most incredible, luxurious stuff of all time. And you can see here that this wand is super prickly. It is almost like a hard plastic. These aren't really brushes or bristles. These are like hard pieces of plastic. And because of that design and this little kind of like dip that's in the center there, you get an amazing coating on your eyelashes. So I like to just start from the base, get really good and in there actually. Something else that I want to say is that the smell of this mascara is incredible. It smells amazing. It reminds me a lot of Dr. Hauschka, actually, their mascara, which is equally beautiful. So give me a second while I get super duper deep into this, because I like to apply my mascara really from the root of the lash to get this like extreme coating on there. Let me do this. Awesome. And if I get any on my eye or like my eye socket area, just kind of wipe it away. It just wipes right off. I believe it's a water-based mascara. Oh, see, that's already like almost done. All right, so the next step that I would normally do would be my eyebrows, but I also want to show you guys, well, let me just actually straighten out my eyebrows very quickly because they look a little fluffed out, a little furry. I just used the spoolie to kind of straighten them out. Coming together so nicely, so very nicely. Okay. Something I have been dying to try is their Clean Line Liquid Liner. This is carbon black free. Okay, guys, this is incredible. So it's in the shade Midnight Express, and we're just going to unbox this bad boy. Ooh, beautiful. And you can see that the tip is just really, that tip looks like a pen. Looks like a pink pen. One thing I do wish is that you could put the cap on the end of here. That would be really nice. But I've been doing a really great cat eye with this, and it's been so much fun. So let me attempt it right now for the first time on camera. Brianna's cat eye. This is gonna be kind of hard, so bear with me. Oh Lord, you gotta really get in there. So I kind of just pull my eye back a little bit, like that, and I go right into the corner here. Let me do a little line, like so. Very little line. And then I kind of fill it in, just above the top. And then you just kind of wing it out like that. That's a little too big, but it works. Okay, now the other side. My goodness, that's a big wing. It's a little one, but big for me. Now, okay, I think that worked. Great. Let's fix this side. It's always the side that I mess up. I don't know why. Okay, so this is coming together. This look is coming together, you guys. I mean, you can do your mascara first. You can do it last before you do your eyeliner. I love this little cat eye situation. Our final phase is blush. I've got this new product, again from Ilia, all new products, This is such a great product. I love how a lot of Ilia's products are multi-use, multi-purpose, and this is a great example of that. This is the color Haze Multi-Use Pigment. So this is in the shade Before Today. It has this really beautiful little applicator. It's almost like you could use it, you're supposed to use it more so as a lip balm than a blush, but I thought I would just show you guys what it looks like. So like a deep rose, I would say. This also has in it jojoba and linseed oil, and jojoba is an incredible natural oil. It's very similar to your skin's oil, your sebum. So what I've been doing is taking just like a tiny little amount on my finger here. Like that much is even too much because this stuff is ultra pigmented. And just kind of making my fingers kiss, and then just lightly applying a little bit on my cheeks. I mean, you can get a really good blush with this. You gotta really work it in. It almost smells like cocoa butter. See how pigmented that is? Like, you totally don't need that much. You need less than a little droplet. Put some excess on your little brow ridge here, your eyeball socket ridge. Yeah, that looks really lovely and blended in. Just like gives an extra glow as well, which I really, really, really love. So you guys, what do you think about full face Ilia? Are we loving it? There's even more products here that I would love to show you guys, as you know, but I can't because the video would be insanely long. Everything will be linked in the description box below for you to check out. I'm super grateful for you. I'd like to know what you guys think about this simple Ilia look. This is like incredibly natural, incredibly easy, fresh-faced makeup. It's all cruelty-free and it's so easy to use. They have so many different colors for so many different kinds of skin types and tones, and I just feel like their product range is epic. So if you have not jumped on the Ilia bandwagon, then I really think you should, because I think you're probably missing out on some great, super fun and super easy to use products. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Have a great week. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.